What if I told you that two farmers can raise the same pig but earn very different money? One sells the pig alive, the other sells it as pork meat. Same animal, different business, different risks, different profits. So, which one is better? Today we're breaking down selling live pigs versus selling pork meat. The pros, the cons, the money, the risks, and which option is best for you. If you are a pig farmer, meat seller, agribusiness student, or just curious about how meat business really works, this video is for you. Let's get into it. Part 1. What does selling live pigs mean? Selling live pigs means you raise pigs and sell them alive to butchers, traders, meat processors, other farmers. The buyer handles transport, slaughter, meat processing, meat selling. Your job ends when the pig leaves your farm. This is the most common method for small and medium pig farmers. Pros of selling live pigs. 1. Easy and simple business. Selling live pigs is straightforward. You don't need slaughterhouse, cold storage, meat cutting skills, food safety licenses. You raise pigs, find a buyer, get paid. This is great for beginners. 2. Lower startup cost. You save money because you don't need freezers, meat processing tools, delivery vehicles, extra workers. Most of your money goes into feed, housing, basic healthcare. Lower investment equals lower stress. 3. Faster cash flow. Live pigs can be sold any day. No need to process meat, wait for customers, store unsold products. You sell one pig and get paid immediately. This helps when you need quick money. 4. Less risk of spoilage. Live pigs don't spoil. Pork meat can go bad in heat, power failure, poor storage. With live pigs, the risk is much lower. 5. No food safety headaches. When you sell live pigs, you are not responsible for meat hygiene. You don't deal with health inspections. That responsibility moves to the buyer. Cons of selling live pigs. 1. Lower profit per pig. This is the biggest downside. When you sell live pigs, you sell by weight. Price is usually low. Buyers want cheap deals. The butcher makes more money than you. You do the hard work, they get the bigger profit. 2. Price fluctuations. Live pig prices can change fast due to feed costs, market demand, disease outbreaks, holidays, and seasons. Sometimes prices drop, and you have no choice but to sell. 3. Middlemen control the market. Often traders set the price, bargain hard, buy in bulk. Small farmers usually have weak bargaining power. 4. Transport stress and losses. Moving live pigs can cause weight loss, injury, death in bad conditions. If a pig dies during transport, you may lose money. 5. Limited growth potential. Selling live pigs limits how much you can grow. You are stuck at farm-level income, raw production only, no value addition. Part 2. What does selling pork meat mean? Selling pork meat means you slaughter the pig, process the meat, sell pork directly to customers. This can include fresh pork, chilled meat, smoked pork, packaged cuts. You are no longer just a farmer, you become a meat business owner. Pros of selling pork meat. 1. Much higher profit potential. This is the biggest advantage. One pig can be sold as pork chops, ribs, belly, head, legs, fat. Each part has value. Instead of one payment, you get many sales. 2. You control the price. When you sell pork meat, you set your prices. You sell directly to customers, no middlemen. You decide retail price, discounts, promotions. More control equals more profit. 3. Value addition. Processing meat adds value. A pig sold live is just a pig. A pig sold as meat becomes many products. Value-added products include smoked pork, sausages, marinated meat. These sell for higher prices. 4. Strong customer relationships. Selling meat directly helps you build loyal customers, get repeat buyers, receive feedback. People trust sellers they know. Trust equals long-term business. 5. Business expansion opportunities. Once established, you can expand into meat shops, restaurants, online orders, home delivery. Selling pork meat opens many doors. Cons of selling pork meat. 1. High startup cost. You need money for slaughter facilities, knives and tools, freezers and cold storage, packaging materials. This can be expensive for beginners. 2. Risk of meat spoilage. Pork meat is perishable. If power goes off, freezer fails, sales are slow. You can lose everything in one day. This risk is real. 3. Strict hygiene and safety rules. Meat business requires clean handling, health inspections, licenses, and permits. One mistake can shut down your business, harm customers, damage your reputation. 4. More daily work. Selling meat means early mornings, long hours, customer service, cleaning every day. It's not a passive business. 5. Market competition. Meat markets can be crowded. You compete with big butcher shops, supermarkets, cheap sellers. You need good quality and service to survive. Part 3. Side-by-side comparison. Selling live pigs. Easier to start. Lower investment. Lower profit. Less risk. Limited growth. Selling pork meat. Harder to start. Higher investment. Higher profit. Higher risk. Big growth potential. Neither is good or bad. It depends on your situation. Which option is best for you? Selling live pigs is best if you are a beginner, you have limited capital, you want low risk, you live far from markets, you prefer farming only. Selling pork meat is best if you have experience, you have access to electricity and storage, you live near customers, you want higher income, you can manage hygiene and rules. Smart strategy. Combine both. Many successful farmers do both. They sell some pigs live, process some into meat. This reduces risk, increases income, keeps cash flowing. It's a smart balance. Selling live pigs is safe and simple. Selling pork meat is risky but rewarding. The best choice depends on your skills, your money, your market. Start where you are. Grow step by step. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, comment which option you prefer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.